Apple is again rewriting the rules. Their quietly refreshed Power Beats Pro, launched without fanfare, introduced a first-ever feature for Apple audio gear, a built-in heart rate monitor. This isn't just a learn-about tool, it's a seismic shift that hints at bigger ambitions for the upcoming AirPods Pro 3. New bold hues like Terra Orange and Evergreen, and enhanced fit for serious athletes. Slightly tweaked sound signatures and stability improvements. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. A heart rate sensor discreetly integrated, marking Apple's first foray into biometric data through earbud tech. Despite a low-key launch, this feature is generating major buzz.
Why?
Apple is signaling that health measurement will expand beyond the wrist. Apple's wearables category, AirPods, Apple Watch, Vision Pro, dominates its accessory ecosystem. Historically, fitness tracking was the Apple Watch's domain. But not everyone loves wearing watches, especially during intense exercise. More so, wristbands slip, get scratched, and catch on gear. Preferences vary. Some prefer headphones over wrist wear for comfort and practicality. Ear-based biometric sensors can offer greater accuracy than wrist sensors. Adding heart tracking to audio gear shows Apple recognizing modular health tech. Users choose what fits their personal style and activity. Whispers suggest the 3rd Gen Pro model will build on Power Beats' stealth launch. Biometric integration, likely PPG-based heart rate detection via ear canal. Advanced health metrics, body temperature readings, breathing rate analysis, and more. Motion analysis, using accelerometers and gyros, already in AirPods for spatial audio, to estimate physical activity, posture, step count, and caloric burn. Such precision could alert you if you enter an aerobic zone, develop a mild fever, or even experience irregular breathing, directly from within your ear. Ear canal is a solid vantage point. It may outperform wrists for accurate heart monitoring. Ambient sensing, optical and IR sensors may quietly scan heat and breath. Machine learning, embedded algorithms could interpret sensor data to suggest rest, hydration, or workout adjustments. These capabilities hint at a future where AirPods are more than audio. They're proactive health companions tapping into deeper biometric insights. Apple has historically touted on-device processing and end-to-end encryption for health data. As earbuds begin collecting sensitive vitals, anticipate local processing as standard, not cloud-based. Tight user consent controls for each metric. Security-first development to minimize user worry over ear-collected data. Strategic smart play. Devices feeding services. Apple's game plan is clear. Use hardware to fuel services. Heart rate data in your AirPods. Sync to iPhone, filling your activity rings. Apple Fitness Plus or Health Plus upsell, tailored to your usage. Cloud storage offers to further monetize, iCloud Plus, anyone. Recurring revenue thrives, all based on incremental sensor upgrades. That heart rate chip is more than a novelty, it's a gateway to subscription ecosystems. Leaks and patents hint at even richer sensor arrays. Head-mounted IR or micro cameras. For gesture control, no touch needed. Spatial awareness, like nod to accept, shake to skip controls.